Hi, this is Isla, an AI receptionist from Alloy Forge Welding Co. How can I help you today?
Hi, do you offer mobile welding at job sites? And what materials do you work with, like steel, aluminum?
Yes, we do offer mobile welding services at job sites. Our certified welders handle MIG, TIG, and stick welding on materials like steel, aluminum, and stainless steel. Is there anything else you'd like to know?
And all the welders are certified, correct?
Absolutely. All our welders are certified, ensuring top-notch quality and safety on every project. Would you like to book an appointment to discuss your welding needs further?
Yeah, if I can request a quote, that would be great.
Fantastic. When would you like to schedule an appointment? I can offer you a few slots. Tomorrow at 9:30 a.m., 11:30 a.m., or 1:30 p.m. Which one works for you?
1:30 work.
Great. I penciled you in for 1:30 p.m. tomorrow. Could I have your email address to send you the appointment confirmation?
It's Alex, ALIX, at demo.com.
Thank you, Alex. Just to confirm, your email is alex@demo.com. I've got you all set for 1:30 p.m. tomorrow. That concludes the role-play demonstration. I hope this gave you a clear picture of how I could operate as your AI receptionist.